Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share my In Love Arts design team projects with you for the new items that I've received. I will link everything that I share in this video down below for you so that you can easily find them in the In Love Arts shop. And this is a discount code for 20% off your order, which I will also include down below for you. I'm going to be showing you the new things I got, and then I will be including some of the older things that I have from In Love Arts that I've included in my projects. So I'm going to start off sharing with you the items that I've received for this time around. I got these. These are called the Vase Shape Bag Handle Dies, and you get them in 3 sizes right there. I'll show you what those are for. I got the Splicing Christmas Tree dies. I love this because of the 3 layers. The trunk, you have ornaments, and then you have the star, which is super cute. I love this die. The next set I got is called the Multiple Christmas Snowflake Flower and Decor die. Now, if you look at this, there's a ton of dies you get with this. You get 4 snowflakes and 1, 2, 3, 4 poinsettias, and then 2 flower centers, which is super cute and a great value for this set. So I'm really happy to have that in my stash. Then I've gotten the lovely hollow lace flower die right here, and this is beautiful. This one actually comes, see this circle right here? It comes with that, so you can decide whether you want to cut out the center or leave it there. It's up to you. Then I got the house shape box die, which is this one here, and it makes these little houses, which I will show you. Next I got the lovely house and surroundings die, and this one has the house, the 2 clouds, the sun, and the grass, which is super cute, really cute. This is a new set to me, the cute rabbits in love, and you get the 2 bunnies with hearts, and then all these little pieces are parts to do the facial features of the rabbits. This is an older set that I will be using. I'll share it with you now since it's here. It's called the Various Shape Label Decor Die. So I will share that with you when I get there. And the last item that I received that is new to me is this postage stamp set called Vintage Post Style Stamps. And you can see all the various stamps there. The older dies that I will be using in this project share is the gift box bag die right here, and then this one is the basic envelope die. I will also be using the stitched lace tag die here and the cute bow die, which is there. So with that said, let me move these things out of the way so I can start to show you the projects that I have created. I'm going to start off with this one here, which is the Vase shape bag handle and die. This one was a bit challenging because it's really more a utilitarian die set than it is anything else. It's not something decorative or whatever. What it does create are these little labels right here, these little tags that you can hang your handmade jewelry on if you sell at a craft fair. So basically you can see here I have gone ahead and I made it out of the way you do. You just cut, this is the smallest or the medium one, I believe. I just added a bow to it, and then I used the various labels tag to do this little price tag here. So that would be what you would do to display that at a craft fair or something like that. So I did 2 of those just to give you that idea. And here's the next one. And again, you'll see I have it here with the price tag, and I used that label set as well. And then I used the cute bow die right there. And then this is the die itself. So again, that's used to hang your jewelry on a display at a craft fair. You can also use it, however, to hang your charm dangles. If you want to send it out in Happy Mail, it would make a cute way to do a charm dangle. I just added an eyelet to the bottom, and then I attached a lobster claw, which I'm hanging this cute little dangle on. It would also be a great way to store them in your craft room. You could just hang them up on your pegboard or something, and it would keep them from getting all mangled and tangled. So that's another way to use that die. And then the last idea I came up with for that die involves this, and this is a book, and basically it's like a book marker, a page marker. So all I did was, and I'll move that out of the way so I can show you, is I simply added a magnet in between the two layers. You hear it's there. And then I just added this little dangle at the end, and then you simply just put it on the page in your book that you're at, and you let it dangle there. So I thought that was just another fun way to use this die. It's kind of, like I said, more utilitarian than it is decorative. So let me move these out of the way, and then I'll share with you my next share. And this one is using the poinsettia snowflake die set. This one here. And basically I just made a few samples of flowers. Now don't think of Christmas only when you see this die set, because it's not just for Christmas, and you'll see what I mean in just a minute. But first I want to share with you, if I can get them unhooked, the snowflakes. They're so gorgeous when they're cut out. I just wanted you to be able to see them on their own. This one reminds me of seaweed, so you could use those pieces in a different way as well if you look at it that way. Here's the other two snowflakes that you get in this collection. It's beautiful. They're beautiful. So what I decided to do was, first I made one the way it probably was intended, is to do it for Christmas. So I have the pieces layered here. The leaves are part of this part right here, and then the flowers are here. I just backed them with some red foil. I used the stamen here, and then I put a pom-pom in the center just to show you the way it was intended. But as I said, don't think of them only for Christmas. You could do one like this one for winter. And again, I've used some of the various pieces. Now I've used the leaves for the flower itself. And I put a snowflake in the background. It's for a wintry look. You can also do them in different colors and different patterns. This die has endless possibilities of ways you can put flowers together. I'm just barely showing you a couple of them. So that was that die set. And I know I could have put these on projects, but we all know that. So I just really wanted to show you that you don't have to think just Christmas when you're working with this particular die set. So I will move on to the next item that I want to share with you, and that will be the stamps. We're going to look at these vintage style post stamps. And now, of course, you can stamp these on a background on a card or that kind of thing, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So I used this little booklet, which was the basic envelope die that I shared with you earlier. And I made this for a friend who will be journaling on their vacation in their planners. So I thought this was a cute way to give some little extra goodies. So I made that folder, and when you open it up, you can see here, I stamped all of these images on colored paper, and I used my scissors that are like a stamp edge to make little stamps. So when they're journaling in their diary or their journals or whatever, they can have these little embellishments that they then can stick on their pages as decoration. So I basically added 2 pockets so that they could house the stamps inside. So I thought that was kind of a cute little gift to give to a traveling friend. Next, I want to share with you the lovely house and surroundings decor die, which is that one there. And what I created with that, using the gift box bag die that I shared with you earlier, I created this little gift box, and it's super cute. It has the house on it. I cut that out. I used the grass. This I cut out of pattern paper, and I also used the doily looking, it's actually called the Lovely Hollow Lace Flower die right there. It's in the background there. It's gorgeous, you guys. That's a gorgeous die. I added the clouds and the sun, and it is just adorable. It's just a cute way to give a cute little gift to a friend. The next project that I would like to share with you involves the, it involves a lot of things actually. It uses the stitched lace banner. It uses the spliced Christmas tree, which is that one right there that I showed you. And it uses the bunnies in love, and it uses the, let's see, it uses part of the house one that I just shared with you. This one here, it uses those and part of that. And what I created was this adorable banner piece. It is so cute. Now, you see what I'm saying to you about the tree not just being for Christmas. I could have done it in Christmas colors, but I thought it looked much cuter as a spring tree with the little bunny there. That's from the Bunnies in Love. That's the grass from that house die over there. I have that pretty doily. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's stunning in the background. I just cut a layer of that, the lace tag. I put 2 layers and I embossed one of them, and I tied a ribbon on top. It is just adorable, and I love the way it came out. And I love this tree. It is just so cute. I am so happy I got it. So that's another thing you can do, and another way to use that die besides Christmas. Imagine it though for Christmas. Lastly, my last project involves quite a few things also. It involves these 2 dies here, which are the house shape box die, and it involves the Bunnies in Love die, because those are here as well, and those are right there, the cute rabbits in love. So those dies. Now I'm going to have to back you up for a second because this one is a larger, it's a larger project, but I do want to share it with you. So let me scoot it over, and please forgive the movement of my camera, but I have to for you to see. I don't even think you're going to be able to see this. Hold on. Sorry for that. This is a huge project. So I will have a picture of this. Sorry, you're seeing my lighting and everything. This is a hard thing to film, you guys. This is the top where I used the doily. It is gorgeous, isn't it? And then I used the Bunnies in Love, and I stamped Happy Easter. And as you come down, you'll see there's a bunny in love in the back here, in the middle. These are the houses, and they are so adorable, and they make such a cute Easter tree for me. There's more Bunnies in Love tucked in there. And then as you come down, you'll see the houses are still there. And when you get down to the bunny, I use the cute bow die right there. And I use part of that beautiful doily die right there. These houses, and I have one. Hold on, I'm so sorry. I'm going to try to bring you out slowly. I don't want to get you sick. This house die, you can actually, you make the houses, and they can actually, if you glue this back portion on the die, then it can become a box. So you can put Easter eggs or whatever you want and put those in your little boxes, and kind of even like an advent calendar. So there you go. Again, I apologize for this. It's really hard to show something this large, but I hope you shop at In Love Arts and look at all these new products that came out that are in their store. I'm sure that you will find that you will be very pleased with your purchases. And I thank you for watching. Until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.